know if it's suck your mother.
Yeah, suck everyone's mother that tries to come in between.
Huh?
Suck everyone's mother that tries to come in between.
That's grammatically wrong, you know that, right?
I don't care. Suck every single person's mother.
No.
Yeah.
No, you're saying it wrong. You're saying it wrong, baby.
Suck your mother.
That's how you say it. But behave yourself.
To me for them being rude to me, but they can say bye to me.
They literally just said it, baby.
No, they never said bye to me.
Yes.
No. Bye. See? No one said bye to me.
Hey, look at me.
So why can't they say bye to me after what you've done?
Vybz Nation. Vybz Nation. My life is a drama, you know.
No, but hold on. Why?
Go on if you want.
Hold on. Why can't they say bye?
You want me to call them to say
Yeah,
bye?
I want them to.
Anna, 1 second, please. I never officially introduced you because she was angry at me. So now let me introduce you. Anna, this is sidem.
So who's the Anna?
She's Anna.
Wait, let's get this off live because.
Why are you laughing at me?
She's Anna.
She's Anna.
We just met him outside. She was with a picture.
Everybody thinks you're she's not that girl. None of them are that girl. No, you're not listening, baby. Everybody thinks she was. You're going to come out and I took a picture with her.
Because they are both.
I don't know. The same way black, the same way racist people say all black people say like. She? Yes. But you can't be one of them. So you're just no, we never had a conversation. We never had that. Exactly.
I'm a teenage fan all my life and I wanted a picture with his wife. And I saw his son and I gave him a ride to the market. And he bought cigarettes and everything. And he wasn't going to be on there because he was going to be here.
Maybe I won't smile. Be like, fucking hey.
I was like that because that's just me. Like, I wouldn't sometimes
She don't.
I'm sorry that.
Let's close this live.
Bro, all I'm saying.
Wait.